Hey guys, today we're going to take a look at the set of Apple Watch screen protector cases, and we're also going to install one. This set contains 12 different colored screen protector cases. Depending on which Apple Watch you have, you will want to select the correct size in millimeters: 38 millimeters, 40, 41, 42, 44, or 45 millimeters. There's a great assortment of colors, so depending on your mood, you have your choice of black, green, pink, navy, gray, silver, etc. These screen protector frames have a hard shell exterior, making them very durable. The frame covers all the edges of your screen and help protect your watch from scratches due to daily use. There are cutouts in the appropriate places to ensure you have full access to your watch's controls, buttons, and sensors. The tempered glass screen is very thin and allows you to continue using your touch screen, which I'll show you here. And while you have the screen protector on, you can use your watch like you normally do, including charging it. And here we've installed the screen protector case, and you can see how easy it was to install. It takes only seconds to snap it on, and then you can continue to use your watch as normal. You can swipe from screen to screen, you can tap options and settings, and you can use the button on the side to scroll. And then when you want to change things up, just snap it off and you can replace it with another color.